Ọpẹ́ yẹmi ojoojúmọ́ ni màá ṣọpẹ́ fún ìfẹ́ tèmi ọ̀rẹ́ mi olólùfẹ́ mi ọpẹ́ yẹmi Diamond girl African baby ọpẹ́ yẹmi.
Hey guys, what's going on? Long time no vlogging, but we are giving. Why are you squeezing your? Well, we're giving it a go today, and yeah, we're gonna try and just take you guys along. We want to have a little, is it a family weekend, isn't it?
Something like that.
A little family weekend, just us and the kids. We're going to this what's it called? This park.
Caravan Park.
Caravan Park. Yeah, so we've never been there before. First time. I'm looking forward to having a good time. I'm just going out now to pick up Michaela. We're all supposed to live together, but Ayopedavies has been cooking, as you can see, and I've been helping her to taste the food.
Yes, helping me to taste.
I've been helping her to eat, and yeah, well, I'm gonna pick Michaela. As soon as Michaela gets back home, we are gonna make our way. It's gonna take us about an hour to get there.
Hi guys, you know, like before you're ready to go, why is it all the last minute stuff just seem to pile up? Why is it when you're ready to go on holiday that the sink is full?
Holiday?
Okay, not holiday.
I'm sure I cleared that sink earlier.
I'm sure you did, but
so
now
I don't know what you cooked.
I don't know what happened. Like, so yeah.
Oh yeah, the reason why she's cooking is because guess who's coming? My mom is coming.
Whoop whoop.
Mama Davis,
Whoop, whoop.
PDD. She's coming to stay with us for a while. And so yeah, we're just trying to make sure everywhere is tidy and prepare for her.
Because you're fish and chips girl.
Because she's
You're chicken and chips girl, okay?
No, you already know. This is a wife material.
Right.
This is what we keep talking about. This is a wife material, okay? Wife material, you know, prepares for her mother-in-law. A wife material has a good relationship with her mother. She's not trying to fight with the mother-in-law. She's actually excited that my mom is coming.
Exactly.
Do you understand? This is what we've been saying.
Especially when mommy comes, because the thing about mommy likes to cook as well. And she has some special delicacies that she cooks. So yeah, I'm ready for that too.
Okay, so I'm going to pick up Michaela. We'll see you guys soon. Hopefully by the time I get back, everybody's ready to go.
Hopefully. We'll be sitting outside the door.
Uncle, how? Why are you just doing your hair?
Baby, let's actually address this on camera. I'm gonna shake my hair off.
Go on then.
Okay, good. I'm glad I've got that
I
evidence.
don't have to buy hair anymore.
No, I'll still buy wigs.
If you're shaving your hair, why are you buying wigs?
Yeah, because sometimes I like to be versatile.
That is fraud. That is fraud.
What, like your weave on beard? No, tell them. If we're being honest now, tell them about your weave on beard. Tell them.
You know, this is the beard that people are wishing for. Like, guys are dying for my kind of beard.
The funny thing is, not dying, but literally people do say to her, bruv, how do you, like, what do you do? And I'm
like, it's just natural, you know. It's just natural. It's just a God-given thing, you know.
Yeah.
God-given quality. Oh, let's go now. Let's go.
Okay, baby.
Must I always be on your case? Give that.
I'm going for the no makeup look today.
I'm going for the no makeup look as well.
Baby, stop. Can you stop? Because you keep on telling them that you don't wear makeup and they actually believe it.
Mickey, let me go and see what Mickey's doing.
Mickey's getting dressed. She wants to wear the same.
Oh, check you out! You're putting on the same shoes?
Yeah, and the same.
Wow, and the same. Okay. Because you're twinning with Maya, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready now?
Yeah.
So can we go?
Yeah.
To worry, tell me to be strong, be my true reminder of where my love belongs.
Cool. You're coming to tell me that. I know where to go.
Hello, you alright?
Hi there.
You come and check in?
Yes.
Perfect, no worries. Just up straight ahead, and
Okay.
it's the next right, you'll see a big reception.
Okay, thank
Alright,
you.
have a nice day.
Cheers.
I am living in abundant mercy, living in abundant favor. I am living in abundant power, living in abundant life. I am living in abundant blessings, hey. Living in abundant victory. I am living in abundant, living in abundant, living in abundant life. Oh, living in abundant favor.
Here we are.
Living in abundant power. You say, in abundant
kitchen.
life. In abundant
Little space. Oh wow.
abundance of favor.
So Mickey and Maya are gonna sleep.
Living in abundant favor. Living in abundant power. In abundant life. You say, oh, I hear the sound of abundance. Sound of abundance. In abundant life.
So we are here. This place is really beautiful, isn't it?
It's quite cute.
What happened? We had a bit of an issue. Give the updates now to the cab.
Then they vex me. Ordered a cab for mom. The flight was delayed, and now the cab is acting like they should keep our money because the flight was delayed, and we should book another cab. Deep it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Like, and it's so annoying. And what's making it worse is that they're talking to us through live chat.
Yeah, it's really annoying. But they're trying to ruin our moments, but we're just trying to enjoy ourselves. Initially, when we got here, this place was really cold as well, but now we've been able to sort out the heating. So heating is all good. Very hot. Okay. So it's quite warm now. I can take off my jacket, but we want to quickly go for this children's activity, isn't it, baby? We want to go to, I don't know,
The entertainment center.
entertainment center.
See this girl? I did this. This girl did. Oh yeah, here Maya, you do it then.
Mum's the right foot. Mum's the right foot.
No, it's not the right foot.
Nikki, you did not wear it correctly. So let us go to this entertainment center and then hopefully get some dinner, and we'll call it a night. I am really tired.
Me too.
I'm so tired.
Streaming, pumping, streaming, running, Mexican bean, arriba, French bean, ooh la la, French bean, ooh la la, Mr. Bean, let's dance. Let's walk. Weird up. Keep going. Adios.
Good morning. We are here. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. It's 7 a.m. right now, and we're all awake. Well, apart from Maya. Maya is still asleep, and obviously
so
that is
tired.
the Ayopedavies there.
Mummy was the one who said we should keep our clothes on.
Yeah, mummy was so tired she couldn't be bothered to change anybody, so we all fell asleep in our clothes. We didn't change to our pajamas, did we, Mickey? And then we all wanted a cozy sleepover, so we brought the mattresses to the living area. And it
Yeah,
was
but
quite,
we wanted a cozy sleepover because
it was quite chilly,
yeah,
isn't
because it was
it?
quite chilly and the rooms were quite cold.
The rooms were cold,
So the living room was like our best option.
yeah, so we all slept together, didn't we?
Yeah.
And Mickey was snoring like this. Were you snoring? You can't remember. Was I snoring?
The Sleeping Beauty, Maya.
Does mummy snore? How does mummy sleep? Show daddy how mummy sleeps. Is that how I sleep? How does daddy sleep? So daddy sleeps better than me. Daddy sleeps more calm than me. Okay, alright.
So what's the plan today? Today we want to we're gonna have a swim, isn't it, Mickey?
Yeah.
Myself and
then-
Mickey are gonna have a little swim later
Yeah.
today. We're gonna
Yeah.
have breakfast now in a minute. And
We need a bath.
yeah, we need to bath. Yeah, we're gonna have a shower. And yeah, we are going to do some activity later in the afternoon as well. But Opeyemi has lost the booklet. Yeah, so
Why
there's this
Opeyemi has lost the booklet? Mickey lost the booklet.
How is it, Mickey? Because we're supposed to have everything to hand so we could plan. So we're gonna have to get another booklet from the reception. But such is life. Okay, let's go.
Oh, Maya's baby bag. check Maya's
you
baby
think that's what
bag.
it is? Mickey, bring Maya's baby bag, please.
I love the fact that we can send them on errands now. Even Maya, we can send her on errand. And Maya, go and bring this. Maya, go and bring that. She's happy to do it. Mickey's at a stage where she's happy to wash up.
Yeah, she even struggles to and begs to do the
Please,
washing.
can I do the washing up? Let me see. Is it there? No.
Uh-oh.
Sorry, darling.
Mm.
Let me check for you. Money!
Money? Let's see. You're joking.
I am not.
You're joking.
I'm not.
Let me see.
Let's take everything out.
Is there money there?
Let me bringing out all these pampers.
Let me see. This girl's tricking me.
That was real money, isn't it?
Where's money? There's no money there. Oh! There is a, yeah.
Daddy, I found
Oh, that's how much? That's like £3, isn't
£2. I found it. Give it to me.
No, I found it before you.
Okay, how do you even know the value of money?
So how much is that?
TP.
£1. And there's 2 of them, so that makes it
2p.
£2.
£2.
Good, you're rich. So what are you gonna buy with your money?
I think I have money at home.
But what are you gonna buy with this money?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Have you bought Mickey? It's gonna be Mother's Day soon. Have you bought your present for me? You haven't bought your present for your mummy?
No.
So what are you gonna do?
I know what I'm gonna bring for you.
Okay, what are you gonna bring for me?
I'm not telling you.
Why are you not telling me?
A secret.
It's a secret.
Yeah.
Oh.
I am living in abundant mercy, living in abundant favor. I am living in abundant power, living in abundant life. I am living in abundant blessings, living in
Mommy, why did you put the chain? Why did you put the chain behind the door? We just wanted to enter and surprise you.
No, you ain't put on silent. Take me this. You'll have just stayed out.
Hi, mommy.
You're welcome.
How are you, mommy?
I'm fine.
We wanted to surprise you.
Can you imagine? When you're not coming back
No, we wanted
tonight,
to surprise you.
I've just blown on my mind. I just came down now, telling me take some tea and go up.
Really?
Yeah.
Honest, I just made
So we saw the lights. We saw that you were downstairs. We're back home.
Welcome.
It's been a long weekend.
Man.
We're
Long
back
weekend.
with the nonna. We're back with the nonna.
Back up.
Take them once for Kalen.
Then that will bring them. Oh, God. Man.
Wow. Oh God.
Is the camera still on?
Oh God, you okay? Why?
No, because I want to ask Mom about Corona and Israel.
Anyways, guys, remember coronavirus is real. Stay safe. Let us keep praying for the nations. Let us pray for the UK. Let us pray for the entire world.
For the entire world.
And yeah, you know, and let us not fear. You know, the Lord has not given us the spirit of fear. He's given us the spirit of boldness.
Yeah.
You know, and of a sound mind. So we know that we're going to be okay as children of God.
Yeah.
And all will be well. Okay, so we shall see you in the next one. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you later.